Have a PAB file from an old Outlook installation containing your contacts? This is a legacy personal address book format from earlier Outlook versions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import and migrate these Microsoft Outlook personal address book files. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful PAB file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. A user typically finds a PAB file when migrating data from an older version of Microsoft Outlook or Windows. Their goal is to import these contacts into a modern email client. This file stores names, email addresses, phone numbers, and other contact information in a now legacy format. The PAB format is a proprietary binary database designed by Microsoft for fast contact retrieval within early versions of Outlook. Its structure was optimized for the performance constraints of older systems, containing index records for each contact entry, predating more flexible formats like CSV or vCard. Microsoft Outlook is the standard set by Microsoft Corporation for accessing the PAB format. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows only supplies high-level attributes, so full access requires dedicated data processing software. Your first step to definitive access, right-click the PAB file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Outlook is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If you are still having trouble opening the PAB file, do not worry. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, importing in Outlook. Open Microsoft Outlook and use File. Then open and export, then import. Export. Select Import from another program or file, then choose Personal Address Book and browse to your PAB file. Outlook imports the contacts into your default contacts folder, where they integrate with current Outlook functionality. Next, converting through older Outlook. If modern Outlook cannot import PAB, directly install Outlook 2003 or 2007, which natively supported PAB files. Open the PAB file, then export contacts as CSV or PST. Import the resulting file into current Outlook to migrate contact data through this intermediate step, preserving all contact information. Finally, using conversion utilities. Third-party utilities like Aid4Mail and SysTools. PAB Converter can extract contacts from PAB files into modern formats, including CSV, vCard, and PST. Download a reputable converter, try the conversion process, and import the output into Outlook, Google Contacts, or any modern contact management system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.